A 22-year-old intern watched her boss corner another woman by the copy machine. She could have looked away, minded her own business, protected her career. Instead, she started taking notes. For weeks, she documented everything. Photos, recordings, witness statements. Everyone warned her. Report this and you'll never work in marketing again. She filed the complaint anyway. The retaliation was swift, transferred to a basement office, excluded from meetings, whispered about in hallways. But she kept fighting. The investigation uncovered years of abuse, multiple victims, a pattern of silence bought with fear. Her boss was fired. Policies changed. Other women finally spoke up. 2 years later, she became the youngest vice president in company history. People asked why she risked everything for strangers. She said, "I could have saved my career by staying quiet, but I saved my soul by speaking up." One choice changed everything. Not because good deeds always get rewarded, but because some rewards are worth any risk. Your integrity is your legacy.